Well, now she's fairly naked. Alright, so work continues on the bug. You can see I'm painting the chassis. I'm using a brush for the big areas. I'm just using Rust-Oleum gloss black from Home Depot, nothing fancy. Again, I just like to get some paint on the bottom and then I'll put some oil on it and that'll be it. No undercoating. So figured I'd take you guys along for this, maybe speed things up a bit, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so let me show you what I used. I used this Rust-Oleum you get from Home Depot. It's like 60 bucks a gallon. Well, the label's kind of, but it's just enamel and then some gloss Rust-Oleum. You see, I just did the big flat areas that I could. I didn't really care about runs. There's a few runs in it. It's the bottom of the car, man. Get over it. You know what I mean? And then I went back with the spray can, sprayed everything. So now I'm going to set it down and paint the top side. And I'll spend a little more time making sure that's right, even though you're not going to see any of that ever either. But I'll spend a little more time on that. Okay, so making progress. I still have a little bit of work to do on the chassis. I got to put the new fuel line in the tunnel. I still got the clutch cable and the accelerator cable to put in that are new. And a friend of mine pointed out that I probably should put new transmission mounts, so I got those coming. And I think that's about it for the chassis. Yesterday I cut out the heater channels and just started getting rid of some of the old junky rusty metal. And now I'm working on taking the fenders off. I'm getting the fenders off so that I can work on the wheel wells and just get them on my way. They're all gunked up with who God knows what, undercoating, roofing tar, all kinds of junk that was trying to hide some really bad attempts at body work. So as much as I didn't want to go all the way, you know, my desire to do it right is greater than my desire not to take it all apart. So I'm taking the fenders off, and then we'll get started on the replacement patches. So I got one bolt left on here. And then I've got close this door. The doors give the car rigidity. This panel is all crap right here. That's going to have to be replaced. All Bondo cracked right there. All right, one more bolt. Ow. They're just 13mm bolts. And I just disconnected the light. Looks like I got one more bolt. This one's in much better shape than that other one. See, this is all still here. All the mounting points. Except for that one, let's fix that one up. And that one. Fix that one up. So 1, 2, 3. 3 of the mounting points need a little bit of help, but let me show you the other one. This is the driver's side. You got here. It's okay here. Then you get up to here, and that's gone. So somebody had tried to rivet on some aluminum and then tech screw the aluminum into the car. That's never going to work. So I'll have to work this fender a little bit. See the Bondo on it. See that up close. See the Bondo. I mean, I'll work them, get as good as I can. Let's take a closer look. This looks okay. The mounting point for the bumper, it looks all right. I mean, this is trash right here, obviously. So I got a new piece for that. Goes here over to here. This will all be replaced. It goes all the way to here, so it'll pick that up. That'll all be new in there with the new heater channel. You can see some of the old is still in there. Let me show you the other side. Just taking that sound deadener out. I got a hole here. I guess over here is not too bad. I'll have to patch that. But over here, the mounting point's shot. This part here is worse than the other side, but this is kind of solid. I got the piece for this whole side too, you know, shot over here. But the bumper bracket is shot. Oh, well, you can see that. Shot. So down here, this quarter, shot. Here's the back. So I got my work to do, that's for sure. See, I need to get to here. A piece of aluminum flashing. Look at this chunk of love right here. Hiding that. Let me work on that a little bit while I'm here. Alright, let's get the other side off. Keep saying that, gotta do it. Yeah, there's a little screw there. That wire. Screw will probably just pull out. Maybe I can get it. There she is. Well, now she's fairly naked. I've already cut some out here. I cut this yesterday when I was cutting the heater channels out, but another reason not to use undercoating, it doesn't stick. And then you get moisture under there and then all hell breaks loose. So I mean, look at this. It made somebody feel good when they did this. But it doesn't really do a thing. I used to use it when I was restoring Jeeps. I'd put it underneath the tub. I didn't know any better. Made me feel good. It looked really good. Hides all the ugliness. But this side's much better. You can see here. This is almost all still here. I'll fix that up a little bit. Put a patch piece in there again after the heater channel's under there. And weld down to the heater channel. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to show you painting that chassis and just update you on my progress. And I'll start with those heater channels. I guess that'll be the next thing. We'll start working on them, because again, once you get those right, everything else builds off then. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along in this little adventure I'm on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long.